Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what is undeniably the best Oral B electric toothbrush for adults. The Oral B IO Deep Clean Plus Protect Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush from the IO Series 7 line. Right out of the box, the design feels premium. The white matte finish gives it a clean, modern look, and the handle feels sturdy and well balanced. It comes with 2 replacement brush heads and a travel-ready charging case that keeps the brush protected and powered while you're on the go. The IO Series 7 stands out for its advanced plaque removal. It removes significantly more plaque in just 1 week and supports far better gum health compared to manual brushing. Its magnetic drive system transfers energy directly to the bristle tips, resulting in a smooth, quiet, and highly effective brushing experience. One of the most impressive features is the smart display. It provides real-time feedback, lets you switch between 5 brushing modes: daily clean, sensitive, whitening, gum care, and intense clean, and shows brushing time and battery level. It feels like having a built-in dental guide each time you brush. Pairing it with the Oral B app adds even more value. The app tracks your brushing in real time, helping you improve technique and making sure you don't miss any zones. It's genuinely useful for anyone serious about long-term oral health. The IO pressure sensor is another standout. Most people brush either too hard or too lightly, and both can lead to problems. This toothbrush senses your pressure and guides you to the right balance, helping protect your gums over time. For busy users, the 3-hour fast charging is a major win. A short charge keeps the brush powered for days, and the included travel case makes it convenient to take on trips without hassle. At $229.99, it's a premium purchase. But between the exceptional cleaning performance, smart feedback, app integration, fast charging, and thoughtful design, it's more than just an electric toothbrush. It's a personal care upgrade built for adults who want the best. If you're ready to elevate your oral hygiene with a brush that blends technology and performance, the Oral B IO Series 7 Deep Clean Plus Protect delivers across the board. That wraps up today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more honest product insights. Until next time, keep brushing smart.